name's Giggles. I'm starting a new YouTube channel. It's going to be everything from working on my new 1994 Acura Integra LS sedan to unboxing videos for technology things. I would like to do ride-alongs with other people, get some stories, you know, just kind of communicate, hang out, you know, kind of build a community. So here we go. I went and bought this today at Best Buy. It is a GoPro Hero 5 Session. Now, I wasn't quite sure if the Hero 5 Black did time-lapse. It didn't say on the box. I hadn't really seen on any reviews. So I went ahead and went with this one. It was $2.99. The 5 was $3.99. If I don't like this one, I told them I'll probably bring it back and change it. They told me I had 15 days. I was like, alright, cool. So, first, when you open it up, you're going to pull from the bottom of this little tab, and it's just going to slide right out. Set that aside. It's got a really nice hard feel to it, you know, in case you pick it up in the store and you drop it, you don't have to worry about breaking the camera. Now, open it up, and this is attached. It seems to be attached from the inside. Unless it's locked on, you have a little booklet that comes with it. Let's see what these are. Safety instructions for a camera. You break it, we replace it. Get covered for 2 years. Guess it's a good thing I didn't buy the protection plan. Ooh, GoPro stickers, we'll save those. And setup and installation. We don't need any of that. Alright. Only thing I'm really worried about is getting this off without fucking up. So let's do that. Lift up, slide forward. For the average person, this doesn't make sense. It says, lift this up. There's a little rubber tab back here. And then it says, push forward. Now I'm actually lifting the rubber tab. I'm lifting something under the rubber tab. Let's see, slide forward. I don't want to break it. I feel like it's so fragile. Alright, we'll leave that on for now. Continue. Inside we have a charger cable. We have a curved adhesive. Actually, this is the curved adhesive. This is the flat adhesive. Alright, anything on this bottom. Looks like it's all just packaged. Yeah, just packaged. And of course there is a sensor in there if you try to steal it out of the store. And that brings us back to the front. Close it outside. There, how do we get this off? Oh my gosh. It does not say, I promise, right here. It says 1, lift up. 2, slide forward. But what they don't tell you is you have to actually pinch these little black things and slide it forward. So, easier than I thought it was, but they don't explain it very well. And here we have it. It's got a nice little weight to it. I'm not going to guess how many ounces I think it is. I'll just say a pound, just for the sake of it. It's not a pound, obviously. It's got a nice metal finish. Now, it is in this case. I have never owned a GoPro, much less a camera. I usually buy smartphones based on how good the camera is. So, I don't have to deal with all this. Okay, let's see. That looks like a hinge there. So, did I not actually get it? Oh, that's not even a real one, that's one. That's cool. So, remove and recycle. Trying to be very careful not to break this. Like that didn't break, but to me, in my head, I broke it right there. That's it. Throw it away, start over, take it back. What time do they close? Alright. And there you have it. We have the GoPro 5 session. And the case it comes with the mounting brackets. Now let's go ahead and open this up. There's the charger port here. It's got the SD card slot here. And that's about it on this back side. I was watching a video earlier, and they dipped this in liquid nitrogen, and it survived for about, I think, like 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. All right, let's go ahead and open up this. I just went ahead and got the SanDisk. Normally, how I determine which SD I want to get, micro SDHC, is $1 per gigabyte. And that's the base. I won't pay any more than $1 a gigabyte. However, this one was on sale, 32 gigabytes for $20. They did have a 16 for like $5 less. But why not double the memory for like $5? So that's what it is. It says, cut this here. I'm not going to listen to that, I guess. I'm just going to rip it open. But yeah, the camera quality is horrible. We'll film with this from now on. Right now I'm filming with a Moto Z Force camera without the attachment mod for the camera. Just a regular camera it comes with. Now here we go again. Trying to big hammer everything. I don't want to break it. Okay, there we go. Slide open. Take out this, don't touch the try and see if that works. It slides in from the front, if you can imagine. The car isn't actually sliding in horizontal, it's actually sliding in at an angle, and that's something that quite bothers me. So it obviously goes with the metal tab sticking up. Push it in. It does give you a little clicking sound. You just have to push this closed. Alright, let's power it on. Yep, hold it. Alright, so I guess we're going to have to charge it. I will get back to y'all with the performance. Now before I leave, I'll go ahead and tell you some of the specs on this one. It says it's a 10 megapixel versus the 5 black is a 12. This one does 30 frame per second burst. It does do time lapse. That's probably the main seller, because if I want to go through and rebuild my engine, y'all are going to want to watch 2 hours worth of video. I can do a time lapse, fit it into like 30 seconds. It is waterproof, of course, so is the 5. It has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Voice control. It does 4K at 30 frames per second, 1440p at 60 frames a second, and 1080p at 90 frames a second. So that'll be really good for some good slow-mo shots. One simple button control, advanced wind noise reduction.